Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So open first the Play Store application and in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap to open the app, tap to enable in settings, and your green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, twice tap to OK and go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished. Now let's check the new keyboard. And we could see that it's so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.